Brief update on BTC. We have caught a bid. We're seeing a very strong move to the upside. This is exactly what I've been wanting to see. I've been talking about this for a long time now, and my timing was a little bit off, and we're going to talk a bit about that in today's stream. So again, just to remind you all, what I'm looking for was this move here that I've had planned for quite some time, right? I'm looking for all-time highs this month, all right? And how this analysis plays out, if we go ahead and pull this up here. Oh, I got a lot going on here. Let's go ahead and clean this up. So I'm looking at this as being a 1, 2, 3 to get us into this all-time high zone in here, right? And to break down where we are inside of that wave 3 is a 1, 2, 3. So we are in what's called a wave 3 of 3, which is the most powerful move of any kind of a wave. You expect very shallow pullbacks, very aggressive buying. Oftentimes people say, oh, I'm going to wait for a pullback before I buy, right? This kind of mentality gets you sidelined because it's going to just have immediate continuation to the upside. So again, I'm looking at like that 78, sort of 76, 78 zone, which if you look at, again, as I've mentioned several times, the historical returns for the month of October off the weekly open is on average roughly about 23%. So again, 23% puts us right on target with these Elliott wave targets as well. So there's a great deal of confluence there that we're seeing. The next area of resistance that we're going to be coming up here is at this 67K zone that I've been watching for quite some time, 67 to 68. We might cut straight through that like butter. I think that there's going to be a lot of shorting going on here and that there's a lot of liquidity above this level, and this is also the previous month high. So what I'm going to be looking for is a move above this level and for this zone to be flipped into support. If we can cut through this and flip this area to support, that is a huge signal to me that we really are going to have that continuation to the upside that we're looking for here in this month. So I'm not going to elaborate too much on a lot of these things because I've spent so much time and so many videos talking about all of this. But the point is that this is exactly what I wanted to see. I was wrong. I made some mistakes in this zone here. I longed here. I took some profit into this zone. I re-added my long here. I got stopped out on a sweep. I did not think that price was going to sweep. I wholeheartedly thought that if it swept, we were actually going to get more of a move to the downside, and I was wrong on that. My analysis was incorrect. We did simply sweep, and now we are catching that bid that we're looking for. I still think historically and statistically speaking, in terms of the month of October for BTC, everything does align. So again, I am not fading this move to the upside. I am still long from 53.2. I'm still long from down here. I'm still following my original plan where I expect all-time highs this month, right? And everything is aligning. Again, I did make some mistakes in here. All good. We're going to catch some setups this week. I will do some videos tomorrow, the day after, and the day after that, and the day after that with some actionable setups so we can catch some of this move to the upside, because I think that we're going to see a lot of opportunity in the form of volatile price action and aggressive buying that we can ride the wave of, so to speak. So thanks again for joining me, guys. I am super excited for the weeks to come, and I'll continue to keep you updated as price develops.